In this video, I'll show you how to reduce the spacing between sections in Squarespace. Once you are on your Squarespace website, what you want to do is simply head over to the top bar and on the left hand side, simply click on edit so we can start customizing our website. Now, once you were on your Squarespace website, there are actually two ways in order for you to adjust a section. If you hover onto one section, and at the bottom, you will actually see an option here to adjust. Now, it will look like an arrow as well as a hamburger, and what you want to do is simply hold and then drag in order for you to expand the section. What you could also do is adjust the section spacing as a whole in order for you to be more specific of the size. To do that, simply hover on a section, and on the right hand side, you will see an option to edit the section. Click on Edit Section. Now, in here, you will see the option for section. Now, on the section tab, what you can do is fill or not fill the screen. And if you uncheck Fill Screen, it will automatically show you the changes within the section. Now, on the fill screen, this is where you can change the height to small, medium, or even large without changing the grid size. What you could also do is on the right hand side of height, you can set a specific value. Let's say you want to set this to a specific value. So what you can do is two things. You can simply hold and drag the circle. And as you can see, it will automatically reflect. And if you want to add a specific number, let's say like 50, you can automatically change it without adding more columns or grids. You can also set the alignment. You will have three options. One is set it at the top, on the middle, or at the bottom. And once you're done, simply click on a random section to save. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.